Ever feel like your social media apps are a little too in your face? Let's make them disappear. This tutorial will show you how to finally take control of your social media app visibility, creating a more private and focused digital space. First, let's dive into your phone settings. Locate and tap on the Apps or Applications section. This is where you'll find a list of all installed programs on your device. Now scroll through the list until you find the social media app you wish to hide. We're aiming for subtle concealment, not deletion, so don't worry, you won't lose your data. Once you've selected the app, look for options that allow you to manage its presence on some phones. You might see an option to disable or uninstall updates. This can effectively hide the app from your main app drawer. For Android users wanting a different kind of hide, create a new folder on your home screen then. Simply drag the social media app icon into this folder. You can even rename the folder to something inconspicuous. Many phone launchers also offer a dedicated app hiding feature. Navigate to your launcher's settings, find the Hide Apps option, and deselect the social media apps you don't want readily visible anymore. And there you have it. Your social media apps are now out of sight, giving you more peace of mind and a cleaner, more controlled digital environment.